So I made a new mod. I've explained to some of you in the group about this tool that I just designed. Well, modded. The tool was designed by Willie. You know what's crazy? For the life of me, I lost my 24-inch high flyer. I can't find it. And I'm really heartbroken about that because that was one of my favorites, like some others. So, no more 24-inch high flying. I'll have to see if Willie can make me another one. But alright, let's jump into it nonetheless. I can't cry about it. What's done is done. So as you can see from the video, this tool works fantastic. Now this is the most aggressive one-pass tool you will find on the market. Some of you in the group already know why But this could handle the toughest of jobs more than the actual traditional mop or the attack mop. It blows it away. I have modified it so it could do that. Don't take my word for it. I don't care if you do or don't. I know what this tool could do. And any kind of fingerprints or smudges, even if you're using plain water, this tool could actually be used with just plain distilled water or reverse osmosis water. And you don't need any soap for the squeegee to glide, because this is actually a one-pass tool and it's water fed, but you have constant glide, so you don't really need all the soap. But you would need soap or some kind of a solution to dissolve grease and fingerprints. Am I right? Plain water just wouldn't do it. But what I have here as a one pass, it will. Even without soap, without degreaser, without anything. This is Masters at Wagtail. I'll see y'all in the next one.